Hello and welcome to the series where we will try to build a Symfony application. I'm not really sure how this will go, but I guess we have to start somewhere, so we will figure stuff out along the way. Okay, let's start with explaining a little bit of what the application will be. It will be an application for managing questions and getting like a random question. So they, of course, you can always use like text documents, spreadsheets, and so on. But like most of the programmers, probably most of them hate spreadsheets and they love building applications. So I had this problem where after a while, when you have a lot of questions, it gets really hard to manage them. So our application, one thing what it has to do would be to be able create, update, delete the questions and put those questions into the lists. The second thing we would like it to do is to receive a random question. Right now I'm trying this one with post-it notes and taking a random question daily. It's mostly like to be able to practice, especially like if like me you are not a native English speaker, it helps your brain and your tongue to by practicing it. So it's you don't get all so much of those filler words, and the translation between brain and tongue is much faster. And if things will keep on going well, another part would be to have a questionnaire future where you could take a bunch of questions, make a questionnaire for them, like for example, let's say things I have to ask before starting a new project, and then you would be able to write answers for those questions, and you could just duplicate questionnaires if you constantly have to do it, like you have for example weekly reflection on your life. You just create a new questionnaire, answer same questions, and keep on going. So for the first release, we would try to do with like basic new user functionality to be able to log in, create new account. We would also go with creating like basic CRUD stuff for the questions, and as we will be able to make questions, we would add an ability to get random questions for our practice and everything. So first we will start by initializing our development environment. So I think I will go with putting all the stuff in a single directory, so we would actually be able to distinguish things between, like we would have inside the Socrates directory a directory for our Symfony application. When the need arises, like directory for DevOps, directory for documentations, directory for API, whatever comes in. So we won't put everything in the same place, just trying to put some distinction between everything. And we will start by installing Symfony application. So for example, if we go to the Symfony web page, we can see what we should use the Symfony installer for installing it, and you can see how to install your Symfony installer. I already have it, so we will just go with with installation. So Symfony new, let's go with application maybe. I can, I don't want app because Symfony already has app and it will be app. Okay, well, let's go with application for the moment. Now it should start installing stuff. So it looks like our installation is done, and we can run our application to see if it works. Let's try that. Okay. Oh yeah, we are in the wrong directory. So let's see if we will see anything. Okay, yeah, our application works. So we will be using a Vagrant environment, but just to check what it working. So again, now that we have our installation done, we need to put it inside a repository. So let's start with git init, and I will be using some commands that might look strange, and we are just simply git or normal bash aliases. So if you want to check out what configuration I'm using for my operating system, it's just check out my .files repository. So for example, have a shortcut which for git, which is G, and our things like this one. Okay, that's like for Symfony. I have so I wouldn't need to write app console. I have one, but in the version 3 it's been console, so I need to make changes to that one. And yeah, we have I have a lot of git aliases, so for cloning, for pushing, for checkouts. So if you are interested, you can check them out. Okay, we initialize it, so let's see. Come on. So we have git ignore, composer, readme, all our configuration files, cache, and yeah, everything looks fine. So git that everything, gs, okay, g commit, and initial commit. And now let's put it inside GitHub Socrat. Let's give a description like application for managing questions. So I would actually like to have this one. I forgot to add readme, so let's try readme md. Let's put Socrat application. Just small description for the moment. We will leave it at this. So git commit amen. Let's add it to our initial commit, and that looks fine. So let's make it a public. Damn, I forgot the license. I want MIT license. Oh damn. Okay. Screw it for a moment. Let's leave it like that. So as we already have a repository, just take that one, execute those commands, and we should have it uploaded. Yeah, we have our application. So one more thing I would like to do in this episode is to configure my editor, and I'm trying right now PhpStorm. I think I finally getting converted to it, starting to see how useful it is. So let's configure it. Okay. Come on. Why are you doing this to me? Come on. Yeah, okay. Okay. Now we should be in our project. Okay. Because this is Symfony application, we need to enable Symfony plugin for it. So let's Symfony, and yeah, we have Symfony application. We enable the plugin. This changed in Symfony 3, so it should be var and var. Web. That's probably everything else is fine, and I would like to do the programming in PHP 7, and I think I saw somewhere, yeah, the language used would be 7. Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, yeah, I also want to change a few like templates so I wouldn't forget about them. Oh, go away. PHP. No, it wasn't like code templates. That's probably it. Yeah. So PHP file. I want to add strict types, and for the class I would also like to add strict type, and final. Oh, no, I hate that. That's about it. Okay, fine. The interface, let's try this too, and for the trait also this one. That should be about fine. Okay. Okay, let's finish with that. So yeah, okay, that's, I think this configures our development environment, the initial one at least, and we start for next task, which would be to adding a Vagrant environment, so we would get the same Linux environment for developing. So see you in the next episode.